Good afternoon. It's time for our next craft. So this week we are going to do this really cute, really simple Father's Day tie. All right, let's get started. Okay, just like usual, you want to take all your pieces out of your little bag. And each kit should include everything you need for the full craft. Okay, so we have our glue stick, our little letters, a number 1, 2 sets of stars, and a little piece of yarn to tie the top. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is come up with a design. So let's see. My favorite one is having the letters diagonal like that. And then you can put your number 1 at the top. And then 2 sets of stars. Okay, so that's one option. If you don't like that one, you could leave the number 1 and have your letters go down the middle. And you can put your stars on the sides, or you could put your stars a little lower. So really you just have to kind of find a design that works for you and one that you like. And I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so once you have your design, all you gotta do is start gluing down your pieces. Okay. Okay. You want to be careful, make sure you don't use too much glue. Okay. Okay. Now, the glue sticks are washable, so if you manage to get a little bit on the table, it's okay. All you need to do is just get a wet towel, maybe a little soap and water, and it'll come right up. Okay, and this is also disappearing glue, so as it dries, it'll disappear and you won't be left with the little purple residue. So if you end up with a little bit of glue showing, don't worry about it, because when it dries, it'll be nice and clear and you won't even know it was there. Okay. Now, if you want to make your tie wearable, you can take this piece of yarn that should be included in your kit. And mine is not pre-hole punched, but I believe everyone that went out should have had 2 holes right here. And you could take the yarn and you'll thread it through. So I can just take my scissors and poke a hole in mine. Okay, and then all you do is you take your thread and you put it through the first hole. And you pull it through. Okay, then you take it through the next one and do the same thing. Okay. And then all you have to do is tie a knot at the back. And if you're having a little trouble tying your knot, you can ask a parent or a friend or someone else to help you, because it can be a little tricky the first time. And then there you go. You have a wearable Father's Day tie that only takes a few minutes to make. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. We currently don't have any more kits prepared, but if you are still interested in a tie, please feel free to give me a call at 662-624-4156, and we can make a kit and bring it right out to you. And we also still have plenty of the Aloha bracelets as well. So if you're interested in either one or both of these, just give us a call. And I hope you enjoyed this week's crafts. And I hope you'll be back next week, where we'll be making this beautiful glitterfish mosaic. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.